we've gathered 300 CEOs from across the country to join us here in Cleveland to learn about the performance agreement as a part of our keynote presentation to a week-long summit on how to improve your business. Without further ado, please join me in welcoming Gregory to the stage.
If they're going to give you a piano, you got to use it. So our mission to elevate the experience of work begins today, and we're going to do that. We have two goals in that process. Into your organizations, we can create something truly transformational. So let's talk about how we do that. Over the last several years, I've had the pleasure to interview thousands of senior leaders. I wanted to understand what sets the great leaders apart from the others.
Some people call memories.
Gregory's presentation was really the missing piece to the week's meetings to talk about culture and your staff to round out the conversation on how to grow your business.
So the performance agreement is about formalizing that promise, about bringing it into your organization and creating a space for people to deliver an inspired performance, to perform in a way that makes everyone else's performance better.
I got to listen to Gregory speak at our Marshberry conference, and he was just absolutely incredible.
I'd 100% recommend hiring Gregory Offner.
Thank you very much.